Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of 3D animation for beginners. Forget complicated software. We're about to unlock the secrets that let you build awesome explainer videos in just 5 minutes. Want to explain your killer app idea with a 3D explainer video? Need to spice up a school project with some animation software for students? Or maybe you just want to prank your friend with a dancing cat video using drag and drop animation software? Explainer videos are where it's at, and we're about to show you how to make them yourself. With the best beginner-friendly software out there, let's face it, most 3D animation programs look like they were designed by rocket scientists. A million buttons, menus longer than a grocery list, but fear not, aspiring animators. There's a new hero in town, and its name is CreateStudio. This amazing software is like your personal animation assistant. It's easy to use, drag and drop friendly, and has tons of cool features to bring your ideas to life, making it perfect for YouTubers who want to add some spice to their content. With CreateStudio, you can create stunning 3D characters and backgrounds, and even add your own voice or music. It's like having a whole animation studio at your fingertips, without the $1 million price tag. And the best part? Remember those 5-minute explainer videos I promised? Yep, with CreateStudio's awesome templates and intuitive tools, you can go from an idea to awesome explainer videos in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're a business owner, a student, a YouTuber, or just a creative soul who wants to have some fun, CreateStudio is the perfect tool to take your explainer videos to the next level. What are you waiting for? Click the first link in the description if you're ready to create show-stopping explainer videos in minutes. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more amazing content to help you unleash your inner animator. And don't forget to leave a comment telling me what kind of explainer videos you're going to create with CreateStudio.